So yeah, I told you I was getting the other flat iron. So this is it. This is the K&K flat iron. It's got a swivel cord, rapid heat up, touch tone for temperature control, 360 swivel, dual voltage. Look like it's been opened up already, or the package has been damaged or something. Yeah, it looks like somebody used this before. It's been open. Well, the flat iron don't really look used, and it's kind of more blue than green. It's like a seafoam, maybe. K&K for professionals. So the flat iron has a little lock on the back. That's cool. That's cool. So when it's off, it still has the LED is still on. So right now it just says off, and then it has the on button right here, and then the temperature controls right here. So let's turn it on. You gotta hold it. It started out at 350. I think I'm gonna put it up to like 375 or something. No, it's on 378. So on 378, and you can see the temperature is going up. I think it just, yeah, it's hot already. Dang, that was quick. Y'all seen I just turned this on. The video ain't even been going for 42 seconds. And she feel hot already. Ooh, yeah, she hot. So I got my mannequin here. Her hair's already been curled, but we'll just throw a little couple curls in there just to see how this works. Comb this up. I think I was playing around with Marcel's and curling her hair, but we'll comb that out and put some heat protectant in. Let's get to curling. It's on 378. If y'all can see that. So the pull on this one is kind of different than the other one I had, than the Kiss one. So yeah, the Kiss one, it has the plate is this one has a little bit of room on the sides of the green, whereas the Kiss one, there's no room on it at all. So as you can see on the plate, you see how it has like some room on the side, and whereas the Kiss one doesn't have it at all. It makes a difference from when you're turning the iron, when you're making your C shape. Also, it looks like the Kiss one might actually be a little bit longer than this one, as you can see. But yeah, that's what I'm noticing so far. Then also the plate doesn't go all the way to the end. So I think they're the same size, but the plate on this K&K doesn't go all the way to the end, whereas the one on the Kiss one goes all the way to the end. Yeah. I don't know if I like this one. Let's turn it up. Let's turn it up to 400. Maybe it's the temperature. But yeah, this one, it don't feel like it turned the same as the other one. I might need to spend some money and just go ahead and get like an H2 Pro one or something like that. Stop playing with these Amazon ones. But I don't know. I can definitely tell that it heated up some more, and it feels like it's curling a little bit better at this temperature at 400. Yeah, it looked like she just needed a little extra heat. Yeah, it's getting some good curls at the higher temp. At least for this mannequin's head. Let's get some good curls. I think it was not hot enough. I think our hair needed that 400. I think if you was getting this maybe to do like baby hairs, you know how people curl the baby hairs up? I don't know. Also, with the Kiss one, I feel like people felt the heat of that one as much more, but this one you still feel the heat on the side, so I guess it's kind of the same. But this temperature control definitely changes the game. Highest temperature 450. And I'll use that on this little section right here. It heats up fast, like super fast. Okay, yeah, that 450 is putting them tight curls in there. Yeah, and you can tell the difference. It definitely, the heat control definitely works because, like I said, I had it on 3 something over here, 4 something right here, then 450 in here, and you can tell the difference in the because this mannequin has kinky hair or like kinky straight hair, so you can definitely tell the difference in the straightening quality from each one. But let's see what it'll do if I do like a little barrel. A mess. I like the grips on here. But I made a nice girl. But yeah, so that's the K&K. Not too bad. You gotta hold the power button to turn it off. But yeah, not too bad at all. Like that has a lot. Does the Kiss one have that? No, the Kiss one does not have a lot. No temperature control. So yeah, K&K, not bad. I do wish the plates were a little closer to the edge and the plate was a little bit longer, but it is what it is.